The Pacific Northwest ecosystem, known for its stunning natural beauty and rich biodiversity, faces critical threats from habitat loss, deforestation, climate change, and human activities. These challenges endanger its delicate balance and ecological integrity. Conservationists like McAllister are working urgently to protect and restore this vital region. McAllister, a dedicated wildlife advocate, uses evocative photography and films to showcase the breathtaking beauty of Canada's western coast, while raising awareness about the need for biodiversity conservation. His work emphasizes sustainable practices and highlights the interconnectedness of all life, inspiring collective efforts to safeguard the Pacific Northwest for future generations. Unveiling the wonders of the Pacific Northwest, McAllister's journey as a conservationist has allowed him to witness firsthand the astonishing diversity and richness of Pacific Northwest ecosystems. Through his lens, he uncovers the hidden gems that make these regions extraordinary. My goal is to share the beauty of this coast and hopefully inspire a greater connection and responsibility towards their preservation, says McAllister. As a conservationist, he has witnessed firsthand the astonishing diversity and richness of Pacific Northwest ecosystems. The region is not just a testament to nature's beauty, but also a reminder of the urgent need to protect and preserve these precious ecosystems. We actually are in a much better place to achieve meaningful ocean and rainforest protection because most of the working parts are still here. The assemblages of native flora and fauna are here, and they just have to be protected, McAllister says. It's not always that simple, but the most cost-effective and straightforward solution is to do no further harm. Exploring the Pacific Northwest through the lens of a conservationist reveals the intricate web of life that exists within its boundaries. The lush rainforests, some individual trees over 1,000 years old, providing habitat for various plant and animal species. Mosses, lichens, and ferns cling to the towering trunks, creating a microcosm of biodiversity. In this region, rivers and streams carve their way through valleys, sustaining salmon populations that play a vital role in the ecosystem's balance. These iconic fish not only provide a food source for humans and wildlife, but also bring nutrients from the ocean back to the land, enriching the forest itself. The Pacific Northwest is also a stronghold for threatened and endangered species: southern resident killer whales, iconic northern spotted owls, and Chinook salmon. A growing list of species at risk of extinction. Advocacy through visual storytelling. McAllister's visual storytelling champions the protection of Pacific Northwest ecosystems. Through photography and films like his IMAX documentary, Great Bear Rainforest, McAllister raises awareness about the fragility of these environments and the threats they face, such as deforestation and habitat loss. He emphasizes the emotional power of imagery, which transcends language to inspire action. By blending visuals with narratives from local communities, indigenous cultures, and scientific experts, McAllister highlights the deep connection between these ecosystems and human well-being. His work underscores the importance of combining traditional knowledge, science, and community to drive successful conservation efforts for future generations. A call to preserve and restore protecting Pacific Northwest ecosystems demands a unified effort to preserve and restore these vital habitats. McAllister's conservation work has been instrumental in raising awareness about the Great Bear Rainforest, a region of immense ecological significance. His advocacy has spurred strides in habitat restoration and sustainable practices. Preservation begins with fostering environmental stewardship through education and outreach, empowering communities to understand the importance of these ecosystems and the threats they face. By combining individual commitment, community engagement, and organizational collaboration, we can ensure the long-term health and resilience of the Pacific Northwest for generations to come.